how do you grow as a Roblox GFXer? So how do you like grow your social media account to like be more discovered in the platform?
I would say uh, posting regularly does help. Um, Posting artworks that you're proud of, artworks that you know that you like the most, and make fan arts for other like huge developers or games. I mean, that's how I started out too. I started out by just posting artworks and making free GFX for everyone, so I could post regularly. Just don't overwork it yourself though. That's one of the most important. Nothing should be like should get on top of your mental health. Mental health should be first. So never overwork yourself. Uh, but try to post as much as you can. And make fan arts for people that you like, developers, games. You'll get recognition.
So when it comes to like growing social medias, right, to be discovered, I think one of the main goal for that is to get more clients. So Softy, how do you like? Do you have any advice for people who are looking for more commissions to try to get the client more?
Um, I would say posting out a commission sheet is one of the most important. Yeah, that's one of the most top important things, and then putting out a post on dev forums or the talent hub, a way to get that's another good way to get commissions. And then posting artworks on Twitter, that's another way. That's that's one way for your clients to see your artworks and examples, so they can order from you.